Moving from Greece to Spain or moving from Spain to Greece. Relocating from Greece to Spain or moving from Spain to Greece can be an exciting yet challenging endeavor. Both countries offer unique cultural experiences, beautiful landscapes, and vibrant lifestyles, but the logistics of moving can be complex. Here is a comprehensive guide to help you navigate the process, considering important aspects such as packing, transport, and special moving services like Groupage. Cultural and practical differences of Greece and Spain. Cultural adaptation. Moving from Greece to Spain involves adjusting to subtle cultural differences. While both countries share a Mediterranean lifestyle, Spain's regional diversity means you'll encounter different dialects, cuisines, and traditions, especially between areas like Catalonia, Andalusia, and the Basque Country. In contrast, Greece's culture is more homogenous but equally rich, with deep historical roots and a strong sense of community. Language. Spanish is spoken throughout Spain, but regional languages like Catalan, Galician, and Basque are prevalent in specific areas. In Greece, Greek is the official language, and while English is widely understood in tourist areas, learning some Greek can be very beneficial. Logistics and services moving to Greece or Spain. Transport and moving services. K International Movers provides extensive services to facilitate moving between Greece and Spain as well as from Spain to Greece. They offer weekly transport options, ensuring a regular and reliable schedule for your relocation needs. Whether you're moving household goods, personal effects, or office equipment, their services are designed to be comprehensive and efficient. Groupage services. One of the cost-effective solutions K International Movers offers is Groupage. This method combines multiple clients' goods into a single transport unit, allowing you to only pay for the space your belongings occupy. This shared transport model not only reduces costs but also minimizes the environmental impact by maximizing the use of transport space. Packing and customs. Professional packing services ensure that your belongings are safe during transit. K International Movers takes care of packing, loading, and unloading, as well as handling all necessary customs documentation to ensure a smooth transition across borders. Cost considerations. Moving internationally can be expensive, but utilizing services like Groupage can significantly reduce costs. Additionally, getting a detailed quote and understanding the breakdown of services included can help you budget more effectively. K International Movers offers competitive pricing without compromising on quality, ensuring you get the best value for your money. Relocating between Greece and Spain or moving from Spain to Greece is a manageable process with the right planning and support. By leveraging professional moving services, understanding culture, and opting for cost-effective solutions like Groupage, you can ensure a smooth and stress-free move. Moving from Greece to Spain. Popular cities of Spain are Madrid, Valencia, Malaga, Barcelona, Murcia, Alicante, Seville, and Bilbao. Moving from Spain to Greece. Popular cities of Greece are Athens, Thessaloniki, Patra, and Kalamata, and the islands Corfu, Kefalonia, Rhodes, Zakynthos, Crete, Heraklion, Hania, Agios Nikolaos, Rethymno, Mykonos, Andros, Paros, Mytilene, Samos, Kos, and Aegina. For more detailed information and to get a personalized quote, visit our website